Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you an outgoing swap that I'm doing with the group. Oh my gosh, what is it called? Pocket Full of Friends. I have a couple of groups that I belong to and I'm like, oh my gosh, which one? Okay, so Pocket Full of Friends. What we did was we had to make an accordion mini album. And then we had to fill it with summer themed items such as like stickers and die cuts and, you know, just anything that's summer themed that people could craft with, and then maybe include some extra goodies. Well, I might have gone crazy, so get a drink. So I can show you all the things that I'm sending. I'm partnered up with Danita, and she does not have a YouTube channel or a Instagram where she posts, you know, like crafty stuff, but you can always meet the wonderful Danita if you join the group Pocket Full of Friends. Why can't I think of that? I don't know. Anyway, it's a fun group. We do swaps couple times a month, and they're always fun, and everybody's super nice in the group. It's super relaxed and laid back. So all right, the link will be below. Let's get started. So I'm going to show you the album that I made at the end. Let me start off with some of the gifty type things that I'll be sending her, and then we'll get into like what I'm stuffing the envelope with. So you might have seen this on my Instagram. I used my Cricut to make a little fruit basket, and I filled it with strawberries. So there's those, super cute. And let's see, did I get oh no, there it is. Then I am giving her this cute little box of floral stickers. So it's just filled with like sunflowers and daisies and just cute little like baby's breath type stickers. Then I'm giving her, and everything's kind of like summer themed here if I didn't already say that, giving her this cute pen that I found at the Dollar Tree. And I absolutely love this watermelon charm. You can hang it on like your purse or you know, anywhere really, somewhere in your craft room to just look at and make you happy. Whoa, sorry guys. Sorry about that. Okay, then I'm giving her this cute little hand sanitizer with the pineapple on it, and this cute little watermelon trinket dish, and this flamingo tape dispenser, and this watermelon key holder. You just stick your key in it, and it, you know, you can put it on your house key, and then you'll always know which one's your house key or what have you. Then I'm sending her some stickers. So these are summer themed stickers that I got at Hobby Lobby recently, and these cute summer themed stickers from the Dollar Tree. These summer themed ones from the Dollar Tree, same as these. And then this cute pineapple luggage tag. I love having like different type themed luggage tags because it's so much easier to spot your luggage when it's coming off. Oh my gosh, I just keep hitting my camera, you guys, I'm so sorry. It's so much easier to spot your luggage when it's coming off of the, what's it called? The luggage mover, whatever they call it. And then I made her some envelopes using kind of like summery themed papers. Then this will be going in the package to make it smell good, and it's coconut citrus. It's a, what is this called? It's a fragrance sachet. Then I am also giving her, you guys look, I'm using my Dollar Tree trays. I told you that I use them for my projects. I'm giving her these super cute, like ocean themed foam pieces. So they just have like starfish and fish, sea turtles, seahorses, and there's some orange seahorses and purple starfish and turquoise sea turtles and yellow seahorses. Then I made, let's see if I can hold this up and see if you can see it. I made a bunch of wax seals, and I'll show you those. And then I'm also giving her a bunch of, what are they called? Cabochons. So I'm giving her a bunch of these cabochons, which they are starfish. And I'm giving her a bunch of these little cute ladybugs in different colors. So there's like pink and red, purple and blue, and what else? Yellow, green, and orange. Then some, let's see, these are kind of random. So a flamingo, a pink strawberry, a red strawberry, and a strawberry ice cream. Then I'm giving her these words, these word beads. I'm giving her a couple of them. They just say sun. You know, like summertime, fun in the sun, right? Or like the sun is super hot. And that's what it's going to be like here where I live in Southern California soon. It's going to be an oven. Then these cute popsicle cabochons. These are so cute. So like some of them have a bite out of them. They have a strawberry, and I love the watermelon one. Whoa, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so sorry that I keep hitting it. I don't know what my problem is today. I've got these ones. So those are super cute. Then here are the wax seals that I made, and I kind of made them like multicolored. Did I make all of them multicolored? I might have. So I've got like mermaid tails, and what is this? This is a sea turtle, and I did shells. Let's see if I did any other kinds. No, oh, I did starfish. So I did starfish. So just like different colors of all of those types of designs, like summer themed designs. Then I am putting a bunch of die cuts in her album, which I'm going to show you the album as soon as we're done here. So let me move some of this stuff out of the way. Okay, so I kind of did like little themes with the die cut. So the first theme is kind of like at the circus. So we've got tickets in different colors. Let me show you this one. I think you can see this one better. So it says ticket. What else? Does it say anything else? No, it just says ticket, and then it has a number. So she has those. And then I made some carousels, or I cut out some carousels. And I cut out some Ferris wheels. Then we have like a little Hawaiian theme. I have this stamp and die set where I stamped a bunch of, you know, designs and then cut them out with dies. So there's like starfish and a hibiscus, and then hello, mahalo. And what do we have here? Oh, I love that coconut drink, and the pineapple. And then what does this one say? You're so sweet. Then I made her, or I should say I cut out these mason jars, and they have straws that go with them. And then I cut out 2 different colors of lemons and in different shapes so she can make like lemonades. And I shouldn't say different shapes, different colors. And it comes with like half lemons, whole lemons, big lemons, small lemons. Then I cut out these adorable little campers. So it comes with has a background die, and then it also has a window. So there's that one, and then I also did these colors. Oops. Did 2 of those. Let's see, I dropped something on the ground. Then I cut her out a couple of just, you know, super cute flamingos. I'm giving her a couple of the shakers that I made. One of the strawberry ones and one of the hot air balloons. Then I have kind of like a, I don't know, I guess you would call it picnic theme. So I've got like some picnic baskets, some ice cream cones, some popsicles, 2 different types of popsicles, watermelons, some itty bitty teeny tiny little bicycles. What's a picnic without ants? So I did some ants here. And these adorable itty bitty little barbecues. And these soda pop bottles in different colors. And a cute little picnic table. And a kite in 2 different colors. And then we kind of have like an ocean sea theme. So I'm gonna be sending her, of course I gotta send her one of the dolphin shakers that I made. And then I had cut out some shells and given her one of these shells. And then just some extra dolphins that I had. Then I'm giving her these lobsters. I love these lobsters. And these itty bitty little crabs, which I will show you. Did them in 2 different colors of red. And these little sea type creatures, like we've got some, I don't know what those are, shells of some sort. And then these 2 different seahorses. And these kind of shell looking thingy-majiggies. And then these like ship steering wheels, and then these 2 anchors. And then I'm gonna put all the like little die cuts inside the little accordion mini album that I made. So I used the Damask Love, I think it's called Damask Love, paper collection. Yeah, that's what it's called. And this sticker's from that collection. This sticker's from a Hobby Lobby collection, and this is also from Damask Love. So our little music notes. And I have Velcro on it. And then here's the accordion. So I did just different summer colors. And then inside is where all the little dies will go, or the die cuts will go. And then whatever else I can fit in here. Then everything else will just be packaged up, you know, in whatever different packaging. So anyway, that is the swap that I have. Boy, that took a while showing you guys that. So I hope you had fun watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you I like watching people's haul videos, but I also like to see what they create. And a lot of people always ask me like, oh, I can't wait to see what you make with that or what have you. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you liked watching some of the things that I made, or what I do with some of the things that I purchase. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.